studying your last two. I swim med T2200. Det styrer navn to mute. En gelände på det som guide.
Let's begin our practical example by following a commissioned salesperson through the complete employment expense process. This example brings together everything we've learned about commission employees and shows how assigned Form T2200, supporting receipts, and Form T777 work together to prepare an employment expense claim. At the top of the slide, we see Sarah, a commissioned salesperson who earns part of her income through commissions from sales. As part of her job, she regularly meets with customers, travels for business, and pays certain employment expenses that are necessary to earn her commission income. In the center of the slide, Sarah's profile summarizes the facts of this example. She earns commission income, pays employment expenses out of her own pocket, maintains organized receipts and supporting documents throughout the year, and receives a signed Form T2200 from her employer. These are the key elements needed before an employment expense claim can be prepared. Notice the signed Form T2200 on the right side of the slide. Just like other employment expense claims, this document confirms Sarah's employment conditions and identifies the types of expenses that may qualify for deduction. Because Sarah is a commissioned employee who meets the CRA's eligibility requirements, additional categories of employment expenses may be available compared with those available to many regular employees. Flowing from the T2200 are several examples of commission-related employment expenses. These include travel expenses for meeting clients, advertising costs related to generating sales, office supplies used in performing employment duties, parking costs, cell phone expenses, and professional dues where applicable. These examples illustrate the types of expenses that may qualify, provided they satisfy the CRA's requirements and are properly supported. It is important to remember that the T2200 does not automatically make every expense deductible. Each expense must still meet the CRA's eligibility rules, relate to earning commission income, be supported by appropriate documentation, and not be personal or reimbursed by the employer. The workflow at the bottom of the slide summarizes the preparation process. Sarah first earns commission income. Her employer completes and signs Form T2200. She then incurs eligible employment expenses while performing her work, carefully keeps all supporting receipts, and finally uses that information to prepare Form T777. The reminder at the bottom reinforces the key concept of this example. Once a commissioned employee has qualified under the CRA's commission rules, the remainder of the employment expense process follows the same structured approach used for other employment expense claims. The key takeaway from this slide is that successful commission employment expense claims begin with confirming eligibility, obtaining a signed Form T2200, maintaining complete supporting records, and identifying the expenses that qualify under the CRA's rules. Once these steps have been completed, the employee is ready to calculate the allowable deduction and prepare Form T777. Now that Sarah has confirmed her eligibility and as a commissioned employee and collected all of her supporting documents, the next step is to calculate her allowable employment expenses before completing Form T777. This is where the individual expense categories are reviewed, organized, and totaled to determine the amount that may be claimed. The process begins on the left side of the slide with gathering supporting documents. Throughout the year, Sarah has carefully kept receipts for every employment expense she personally paid while earning commission income. These receipts provide the evidence needed to support her claim and are an essential part of preparing an accurate employment expense deduction. The receipt folder shows several common expense categories that may apply to commissioned employees. These include travel expenses for visiting customers, advertising costs used to generate sales, office supplies required for work, parking expenses incurred while performing employment duties, cell phone costs related to business activities, and professional membership dues where applicable. Each expense must be supported by receipts and satisfy the CRA's eligibility requirements before it can be included in the claim. In the center of the slide, each eligible expense category flows into the calculator. This represents the process of reviewing every expense individually and totaling only the allowable amounts. During this calculation, personal expenses and any amounts reimbursed by the employer must be excluded because they are generally not deductible. After reviewing all supporting documents and verifying that each expense qualifies, the allowable amounts are added together to determine the total commission employment expenses. This total represents the amount that may be reported as an employment expense deduction, provided all CRA conditions have been satisfied. On the right side of the slide, the calculated total is transferred to Form T777. The form organizes the deductible employment expenses into the appropriate categories before the final deduction is carried to the employee's income tax return. Completing Form T777 accurately is an important step because it ensures that the employment expense claim is properly documented and correctly reported. The reminder at the bottom reinforces one of the most important principles for commissioned employees. Only eligible commission expenses that are supported by receipts should be claimed. Assigned Form T2200 confirms the employment conditions, but receipts provide the evidence for the actual amounts being deducted. As a tax preparer, it is good practice to review every receipt carefully, verify that each expense relates directly to earning commission income, confirm that it has not been reimbursed by the employer, and ensure that personal expenses have been excluded before completing Form T777. The key takeaway from this slide is that preparing a commission employment expense claim follows a structured process. Collect supporting receipts, review each expense category, calculate only the allowable employment expenses, and then report those amounts accurately on Form T777. Following this process helps produce employment expense claims that are accurate, well supported, and fully compliant with CRA requirements. This final slide brings together the complete workflow for preparing an employment expense claim for a commissioned salesperson. It summarizes every step in the process, from confirming the employee's commission income and employment conditions to reporting the final allowable deduction on the employee's T1 income tax return. The process begins by confirming that the employee earns commission income. This is an important first step because the additional employment expense rules apply specifically to employees who are compensated through commissions. Before calculating any deductions, the tax preparer should verify that the employee qualifies under the CRA's commission rules. Next, review the signed Form T2200 provided by the employer. This document confirms the employee's employment conditions and identifies the types of employment expenses that the employee was required to pay while earning commission income. As with all employment expense claims, the T2200 provides the foundation for the deduction. After confirming the employment conditions, the employee identifies all eligible commission-related employment expenses. Using receipts and supporting documentation, review each expense carefully to determine whether it qualifies under the CRA's rules. Examples may include travel expenses, advertising costs, office supplies, parking, cell phone expenses, professional dues, and other eligible employment expenses related to earning commission income. Once the eligible expenses have been identified, calculate the allowable deduction. During this step, Every expense should be reviewed individually to ensure that personal expenses and any amounts reimbursed by the employer are excluded. Only the remaining eligible employment expenses should be included in the calculation. The next step is to complete Form T777. This form summarizes the allowable commission employment expenses in the appropriate categories and prepares the deduction to be transferred to the employee's income tax return. Accurate completion of Form T777 helps ensure that the claim is properly documented and consistent with the supporting records. The final step is to report the allowable employment expense deduction on the employee's T1 income tax return. Once Form T777 has been completed, the deductible amount flows to the tax return, where it may reduce the employee's taxable income, provided all CRA requirements have been satisfied. The checklist on the right side of the slide serves as a final quality review before filing the return. Confirm that the employee earns commission income. Review the signed T2200. Verify that all CRA eligibility requirements have been met. Examine and organize all supporting receipts. Exclude any personal or reimbursed expenses, and complete Form T777 accurately. Following this checklist helps ensure that the claim is complete, accurate, and fully supported. The workflow summary at the bottom reinforces the complete process. Begin by confirming commission income. Review the signed T2200. Identify the eligible commission expenses. Calculate the allowable deduction. Complete Form T777. And finally report the deduction on the employee's T1 income tax return. Each step builds on the previous one and contributes to a well-prepared employment expense claim. The key takeaway from this example is that once a commissioned employee qualifies under the CRA's additional rules, the preparation process follows the same organized workflow used for other employment expense claims. Careful review of the T2200, accurate identification of eligible expenses, proper record keeping, and correct completion of Form T777 help ensure that the final employment expense claim is accurate, well supported, and fully compliant with CRA requirements.